If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this profit here, getting ready to lock in once we get back near the $50 mark here. That'll be about 1/3 of our total profit potential here. Let's go ahead and set this take profit for, I think 70 will do. So we'll go ahead and set our automatic take profit there, meaning we will automatically get stopped out of the trade with our profit target being at $70 per contract, which is a fantastic short-term profit, considering this trade has only been held in the short term. So here we are getting close. Boom, there we go, guys. So automatically triggered there, as you can see, $71 per contract now. A nice short-term upward move. Alright guys, so we took profits there. Now I want to show you exactly what I saw on the chart to lead me to get into this position here. So as you can see, you must always pay attention to the overall trend. So as you can see here, the overall trend is a downward trend as indicated by the long wick activity, bouncing from these zones, and lower lows and lower highs as the pair continues here. So basically, why did I get in a buy position? You can see here in the short term, the most present trend is a short-term upward trend. In addition, you can see the bearish volume is decreasing in this upward trend. And on the very last 15-minute candle there, as we got into our position, you can see the spread was very thin and it bounced off this trend line. And we're right there at the 50 on the Bollinger Band there, which leads me to believe that we are going to see at least a last-ditch effort from the bull side of things. So that makes for a good opportunity to get some short-term scalp profits. And you can see that is also why I took 1/3 the profit potential as opposed to 1/2 of the total profit potential as usual. And you can see we fall right in here. This basically is a good indication of where you should be taking profits or cutting your positions. This is a good short-term previous resistance and support zone that I went ahead and mapped out here. And that was my cue to take profits in case the trend bounces back off and has a continuation to the downside from that zone. So, and you don't want to get too close to the trend line without taking profits as well when you're going counter trend on a trade. So basically that kind of sums it up, guys. We're approaching the 50 on the RSI. That made me want to get in on a buy. Also the trend here, long wick activity to the downside. We just had a candle like that on the last one. Bollinger Bands forming up for a squeeze. Approaching the the center Bollinger Band makes for enough ammunition here to go ahead and pull the trigger on a buy position, get a short-term scalp, get out of the trade, and then focus back on the overall trend of a downward play in the long term. So in the meantime of waiting for these long-term scenarios to crop up, you can get in on these short-term plays and make the most of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about how to find these trading scenarios with a higher probability for success, then definitely check out the Informed Traders educational package down below, where I cover in detail through a video series of how to combine different technical trading tools like my favorite indicators in conjunction with support and resistance, just like you see here, to ensure high probability long-term profitable trading scenarios just like this. And we also get in positions just like these in the shadow trading program. And if you want to trade with us there, that's Sundays through Thursdays, 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we get in trades like this just every day. Just last week, guys, we had 6 total trades, 5 of which were winners, 1 was a loss. So another fantastic week in the shadow trading program. And I must say, as we approach 800 subscribers, I really appreciate all the support and the feedback and the positive engagement you guys do with the channel. I really appreciate having you as viewers. And if there's any way I can help, be sure to comment, reach out to me. I'm always giving email advice to people that reach out. So if you have any trading questions or anything, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and reach out to us. We also have an Instagram page. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together.